Anytime now. And the race is on. Kapitan ako. Gentle ironies on the outside. Count Medicis. Plenty of grace down on the inside. Alongside is jumping Jonah Granick says. And Kiss Me Gently is the early trailer. Gentle irony by some two lines followed by Kapitan ako. Plenty of grace in the middle. Alongside is Count Medicis. Granick says is racing from the outside, jumping Jonah Kiss Me Gently. Last 500 meters more to run. Gentle Irony by some four lengths, followed by Kapitan Ako in second. And nearing the last 250 meters more to run. Gentle Irony by some four lengths. Kapitan Ako is running by the run says. And nearing the finish line, Gentle Irony proving his worth as the star in this race number 4. Second, Kapitan Ako, Run Excess, Kiss Me Gently, Count Medicis, Plenty of Grace, and Jumping Jonah comes last.